So the other night, Jeremy and Nick are getting this camper unwinterized using the water hose up here. And he calls me and he's like, hey, you better not buy that boat because you need to buy a new truck. And I'm thinking, great, what happened? You back into my truck, like you ran over it. No, worse. He finds a puddle with something under it. A little more inspection, come to find out that was antifreeze. It is antifreeze. Buy a 6.0, they said. It'll be great, they said. They're bulletproofed. Nothing goes wrong. Seems like every time I fix something, the old girl goes to the crapper again. So it's going to add decent performance on Monday, and I'm hoping that a water pump is all she needs. I mean, not because it's cheap, but here we are. 6.0 life, baby. You know, I go back and forth on selling this thing. Man, there's just nothing like the whistle in the 6.0, or the everything in the 6.0 for that matter. I just want it to be dependable. Like, the truck was already bulletproof, studded, all that jazz, and I've had turbo boot problems, changed the intercooler, put a turbo on it, like, now it's going for a water pump, I guess. Like, I'm pushing $4,000 for this thing, or what I spent on it, and that's a, I don't know, that's a moderate estimate. 6.0 life, baby. I don't know. Maybe it'll straighten itself out eventually. I hope. So I wish that was the end of the video. I drop it off at Ed on Sunday. Monday about lunch, I get a call. I said, bro, tell me something good. Man, I got nothing but bad news for you. Didn't even have to finish. I knew where it was going. The thing is, gonna have to have a head job. Head gasket, blew a head gasket. It was supposed to be, well, it is studied. It was supposed to have head gaskets done. I don't know. I'm beginning to think the guy just overall lied to me about the truck. Whatever, it is what it is. That was Monday a week ago. I haven't even talked to him, but he's in the middle of working on it. So getting new head gaskets, the head, maybe new heads, I don't know. Fixing some other issues, new thermostat, new fan clutch. Anything can go wrong, we're fixing it. It had a weak injector. I don't know what injectors are in it, so he's getting all new injectors. Going through it. It's going to be right when I pick it up. It's all that really matters. I'm tired of screwing with it. I want to keep the truck. I want it right. So that's what we're doing. That's where we're at. It's at 6.0 life, baby. Anybody wants to buy a truck I've got $30,000 in, get in them DMs because I'll sell it to you. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, watch some ads because I got an expensive truck repair bill to pay for. So y'all be pretty. We'll see you. It's 6.0, baby.